Mr. Beasley isn't there this evening, so I'm making the report in regard to building progress in his absence. Mr. Beasley reported that there had been no suit filed in relationship to the action of the State Tax Board. But the last day for action would have been the last day of November. The consequence on Monday, 1st of December 2nd, ad was placed in the paper advertising bonds for sale on December 18th. In the meanwhile, new contacts have been made, or not contacts, but agreements with all of the people who participated in bidding on the new building, furnishing equipment. And they have said that they would keep the same price up to and including January 15th. This means that if the bonds are sold on December 18th, that an opportunity will be possible to review those bids, make a determination, sell the bonds, and let the contracts of the bid price up to and including January 15th. If the building can be gotten underway by January 15th, it is our judgment now that the school would be able to open in the fall of 1970.